Bonjour, my friends. I'm Frankie, and welcome to Club Foodie. Until we reach May, we normally don't get nice warm weather. In the meantime, we still want tasty, comforting dishes, and here's one for you. In today's episode, I'll show you how to make my Caribbean-style fish stew. Light and loaded with flavor, this is an amazing one-pot dish to make this spring. It's a delicious recipe to enjoy before barbecue season starts. So my friends, let's get cooking. These are our cod fillets that have been cut into pieces. Not too small, so they don't fall apart while cooking. We'll season with ground sea salt, freshly ground black pepper, and my fish rub, which you can get the recipe by clicking on the top right corner of your screen. Now, let's move on to the stove. In a large skillet over medium-high heat, we'll add canola oil as well as butter. When melted and it starts shimmering, we'll place our fish pieces, season side down, and season the tops with the same ingredients: salt, pepper, and fish rub. We'll cook them until just golden, about 2 minutes per side, because we'll return the pieces back to the pan later. We just want to have a nice color on the fish, alright? So we'll transfer them to a plate and set them aside while we continue with the recipe. In the same skillet, we'll add sliced onions and reduce the heat to medium. We'll saute them for 2 minutes before adding the green peppers, also sliced, and saute the veggies for a couple minutes as well. To this, we'll add ginger and pressed garlic. These two go so nicely together. We'll quickly saute for only 30 seconds. We'll now stir in the Caribbean pepper sauce, which can be found in the international aisle at your supermarket. You'll see there are many brands to choose from. Next, we'll add a big can of diced tomatoes along with chicken broth. We'll stir very well until the ingredients are blended and bring the mixture to a simmer. We'll cook for 10 minutes. If it simmers too much, reduce the heat slightly. When time is up, we'll add some freshly squeezed lime juice and incorporate into the mixture. We'll return the fish pieces and spoon the sauce over so they're nicely coated. When the sauce starts bubbling again, we'll cover and let it simmer for 5 minutes. And my friends, this is our Caribbean-style fish stew. Tasty and easy to make. This is a light one-pot meal that is ideal when it's still a bit chilly outside. Served with crusty bread, this is a satisfying spring dish I'm sure you'll love. I hope you give it a try soon, and be sure to visit clubfoodie.com for ingredient amounts, directions, and more info. Until next time, my friends, bon appétit!